Hey guys, this is Anthony at Audi Wesley Chapel. I'm an Audi Brand Specialist here at the store, and today I just want to talk about why I chose to actually sell Audi. So, with that being stated, got some clients picking up an Audi Q7 right now, and while they're in the business office, I'm over here babysitting just a little bit. But I chose to go with Audi due to the fact that the German luxuries, their government standards are just a little bit higher for collision rates, as well as the engines are typically, tuned and designed to be able to drive over 100 miles per hour to 4 to 5 hours at a time with no engine complications. So one of the reasons why I went with Audi specifically is Audi is a hip, youthful brand. Audi has a lot of things to offer. And if you look at the Audi product, it's one of those things that just stands out a little bit to everyone, regardless of who you are. The Audi, the age range of the Audi owner is anywhere from 35 to 65, with an average age right at about the mid 40s. We offer a unique dynamic drive with advanced technology, whether it's our supercars or whether it's some of the luxury sport options that you all see. Audi just brings a different attention to detail with the safety performances, with the reliability scores. It's a hip, youthful company once again. We love to have a good time, and it's one of those things that when you step in it, you realize you're being a part of the automotive future. So that's why I chose to go with Audi. I want to make sure my family was safe when they're driving our travel vehicle, and I want to do the same for you. If I can ever assist you, I am always available at your service. I believe in myself, my product, and my company, and my full intention is to sell you in the next automobile. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. For here, it's Memorial Day weekend. Actually, it's just the regular weekend. Memorial Day weekend is next week, but I'm at your service always. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.